biggest advice I can give you guys is take your time going in the afternoon. Even in the morning in the dark, but specifically in the afternoon. I like to just creep and then stop and wait. It sounds far more like a deer or a turkey. And then start walking again. I gotta put this big one there. Okay. Big fresh scrape right there. Part of the reason I'm coming in here is to scout it. Basically got a wall honeysuckle down here. Oh, I see fresh buck grubs already. My gut is there's a big mature deer in here. Now I just gotta get in here without spooking them.